Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix you might not have permission to use this network resource in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to perform is that you need to navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for Control Space Panel. The moment you have typed it, proceed with the best match, which is the control panel system, and go with open to continue. Okay, so once you are being redirected here at this new window, if your view or window doesn't look like this, simply proceed with view by and change that into category. Once done, look for user accounts. Again, look for user accounts and click on it. And there you would be able to see three options. Proceed with the second, which is credential manager. Click on it so that you would be able to see these two, which are web credentials and Windows credentials. Proceed with the second, which is Windows credentials. And here you would be able to see all the Windows credentials that you have in your Windows. Now, the reason why you get an error is that you have mistakenly or you have added a Windows credential here. So just have to delete the Windows credential that is being added here in your Windows or computer. So I'm sure it has a Windows credential here. That's why you're facing an error with. Okay, just have to remove it. And once that you have removed such, just have to close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. So open your File Explorer, go with your network, and access the network that you want to access with. And if your username or password is being requested, just have to type for it, and there you have that. Okay, so simply close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.